Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to hide order history on Foodpanda. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and go and download the Foodpanda application. But guys, if you of course do not have a account, you just need to go and register. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have your address, as you can see, and we have the search bar. Also, we have in the bottom side, we have the home bar, shops, search, and the account tab. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and hide order history on Foodpanda. It is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically what you need to do guys is go and check out first of all if you have any problems. Go to your account and then go to help center where you can go and get any help of course. But unfortunately guys, I have to tell you that they are unable to do so. The feature is not applicable in the order history remain in the account. So basically you cannot go and delete your order history on the Foodpanda account. But guys, if they add this feature, be sure that we will be making an update video on that immediately when they make it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.